YouTube, I need a count. I need about like 5 accounts or 3. Now, I will know if you're watching this video. And if you watch it, I know a hack. I can see who watched my video. And from that, when I see who watched my video, if you have MSP, if you don't give me the account, give me the account name, or I will hack you. I will hack you. Give me your account. Give me your account name and password in the comment. Don't worry. Just text me on my phone number. All right. Then I'll just give you the code, the username back. So I will know if you watch this video, I will know if you did. And if you don't get in that comment your username and password, you will be waking up you'll go on MSP and it will say the password is wrong. And plus I'm gonna hack into it so you can't, I'm gonna hack into your email and change your email stuff so you can't send it to your email. Okay? So, plus I will hack into your ID. I will hack into your computer. I know how to do that. It's easy. Hack into your computer, right? Yeah, this is what I'll do. I'll hack into your computer. I might be 9 years old, but search it up on YouTube. I'm one of the 9-year-olds that know how to hack. I'm gonna hack into your ID, right? To hack into your computer. To hack. Guys, I'm not kidding. I will hack into your ID to get into your computer, and I will hack your computer. You know what? I'll hack your computer so you can't get Movies I Planet. I'll block your ID from Movies I Planet. So put down those comments, or I will hack you. And if you think I'm playing, yeah, sucks for you. Don't even try. Don't even try watching this and then just going to another video. Because if you do, you're getting hacked. Lay down the password and don't make a new account and lay down that one. Don't do that shit. Your account, lay that down.